Welcome to Khetz tutorials, and in this video I'll be doing question 20 from 1.3 exercises in James Stewart calculus. So we're asked to start with the standard function that we know that's related to this, then use that to translate it until we have a sketch of this function here. So the standard function will be the absolute value of x. So when x is positive, then we'll just have x, right? So that's how the piecewise function works. Remember, when you have this absolute value of x, then you're going to have x. If x is greater or equal to 0, you're going to have negative x. If x is less than 0. So in our case, on this side, if this is the x-axis, on this side we have positive x values. That's why it will just be x. On this side we have negative x values, so it will be minus x. So if we double negate those negative values, they're still going to be positive. And that's what we're going to have on this side. So this is how you draw the absolute value of x. Now, this is our starting point, or this is the standard function which we're going to use. And let's see what happened to it. So we are subtracting 2. This is a shift. So we're moving down by 2. So the resultant function, or 20, would be the following. So you'll still draw your Cartesian plane, and you still have your absolute value of x, but now it has been shifted 2 units downward. So it was at the origin, that was where both of the lines came from, but now it's there. And you're still going to have the same gradient and the same lines, essentially, just that those lines will now be shifted down by 2, and they now start at -2 instead of the origin. So this here is now the graph which you expect for the equation in 20. And we started off with the absolute value of x. That's what they asked us to do. Then we performed the transformation, and the transformation here is just translation down by 2. And this is our resultant function. And we just have y equals to the absolute value of x minus 2.